Hey everybody, today we got this SANTAFE Gold 2005 SUNROOF, and let's check out this car, take a look at it. It's in a pretty good condition. Take a fast look at it from all sides. There's some rust here. Okay, let's check out the doors. Some rust here. This door is fine. Got this one. Rust over here. This one doesn't hold. It cannot hold. It falls. It's broken. These are broken, so you have to keep holding it like this. But plenty of space here. Very clean. But these are broken, I think. So you gotta be careful of this one. This camera here. Okay, let's go check out the engine room. Okay, here we go. This is the engine room. Check out the edges here. Perfect. Side too. Perfect. No smoke, no oil is coming out. The engine sounds very good. Oil level is good. Alright, here we go. I'm inside the car right now. Let's start by pressing the button here to switch on the car. Okay, lights are on. Engine is on. Lights are off. No problem at all. Okay. Now we start with the acceleration. Let's accelerate and see the RPM movements. Okay, as you can see here, the RPM meter goes up very smoothly and very fast. One more time. You can hear the engine. Let me show you also from the bottom here when I press the pedal. Okay, perfect.
Let's try the windows. Window works perfectly. Try the other side. This one also works perfectly. This one too. Perfect. Try this one. Works perfectly. Show you the seats here. Very clean. Okay, it's for the mirrors outside. Okay, here let's jump into try the audio.
그러니까 이제 아래 위로 블랙을 이렇게 온전히 다 입는 경우는 사실은 좀 많지 않고
See. Perfect. Audio sounds very good. The radio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. Okay, let's try the temperature. AC is on. Fan speed is the highest. Okay. The wind. Cold air is coming perfectly. From this side too. Cold air. Perfect. You can also see it just here. Can control the audio from here. But it's off right now. So let's switch on the AC from here. Let's take out the roof. Open this. You can press this button. Open. Will open. This off. This off. Then also open this one. Close it from here. Will open. Close. So the sunroof works perfectly. Everything here works perfect. Oh yeah, and we got a rear camera here at the screen. So we go reverse. You can see the camera here. Can't see very well because of the light, but yep. That's all.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So this was the review of this SANTAFE 2005 SUNROOF. If you're interested in this car, you can reach us out at busyman.kr. Please send us a message, and if you have any questions or any inquiries, you can always ask us. Feel free to ask anything. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.